Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at Moomoo, Wealthsimple and Robinhood to see which one is better. So the first one is Moomoo. Now before we start, all three of them will allow you to invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies, but some of them have more options. Now, as you can see on Momo, you can trade US stocks, US options, US ETF, and basically that's all you can basically trade. Now on Wealthsimple here, we can see what they offer. So basically this is a bank account more, so you can create a checking account, a savings account, something that you can't do on Momo or Robinhood, and they also allow you to trade stocks, options, crypto and margin, and you can also do your tax. And on Robinhood, you can trade the stocks and crypto. Now, between these three, Robinhood is the easiest one to use and has a friendly interface. So if you're a beginner, go with Robinhood. Now, if you want something serious, you're gonna have to select Wealthsimple because they offer everything you need from banking to trading, and basically that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.